Have you ever felt like your hard-earned money was being pushed and pulled in different directions by forces beyond your control? Well, you're not alone. The truth is, the decisions made by governments and central banks can have a direct and profound impact on our personal finances. But fear not, because today we're going to demystify the fascinating world of economic policies and show you how to harness their power for your own financial success. What are economic policies? Economic policies are the tools and strategies employed by governments and central banks to steer the economy in a desired direction. Think of them as the levers and dials that policymakers use to fine-tune the complex machinery of a nation's financial system. These policies cover a wide range of areas, including fiscal policy, taxation and government spending, monetary policy, interest rates and money supply, and trade policy, tariffs and international agreements. Each of these policies has the potential to significantly influence our financial lives, from the amount of disposable income we have to the performance of our investments. Fiscal policy, taxes and spending. Let's start by diving into the world of fiscal policy, where governments use taxation and public spending as their primary weapons. Imagine a seesaw, with taxes on one side and government spending on the other. Adjusting either side can have a profound impact on the economy and, by extension, our personal finances. On the taxation front, changes to income tax rates or deductions can directly affect the amount of money we get to keep in our pockets. When tax rates decrease, it's like receiving a raise without having to put in any extra work. More disposable income means more opportunities to save, invest, or indulge in those little luxuries that make life sweeter. But it's not just about the tax rates themselves. Deductions can also play a crucial role in reducing our taxable income. By taking advantage of deductions for things like retirement contributions, charitable donations, or business expenses, we can lower our tax liability and keep more of our hard-earned cash. On the other side of the fiscal policy seesaw, we have government spending. Increased spending on infrastructure projects, social programs, or industry incentives can create new job opportunities, stimulate economic growth, and open up new investment avenues. However, excessive spending can also lead to higher taxes or inflation down the line, so it's a delicate balance that policymakers must navigate. Monetary policy, interest rates, and borrowing costs. Now, let's shift our focus to the realm of monetary policy, where central banks wield the mighty weapon of interest rates. Interest rates are like the price of money. When they're low, borrowing becomes cheaper, and when they're high, borrowing becomes more expensive. When central banks lower interest rates, it's like opening the floodgates for economic activity. Suddenly, taking out a loan to buy a house, car, or start a business becomes more attractive, as the borrowing costs are lower. This increased spending and investment can stimulate economic growth and create new opportunities for employment and wealth creation. However, low interest rates can also have a downside for savers and those relying on interest income from their investments. With lower rates, the returns on savings accounts and fixed income investments may decrease, potentially forcing us to adjust our investment strategies or explore alternative sources of income. Conversely, when central banks raise interest rates, it can put the brakes on excessive borrowing and spending, helping to control inflation and maintain financial stability. While this may make borrowing more expensive, it can also encourage saving and potentially lead to higher returns on interest-bearing investments. Understanding how monetary policy and interest rates impact borrowing costs and investment returns is crucial for making informed financial decisions and adapting our strategies accordingly. Inflation and price stability. One of the primary goals of economic policymakers is to maintain price stability and keep inflation in check. Inflation is the gradual increase in the prices of goods and services over time, and if left unchecked, it can erode the purchasing power of our hard-earned money. To combat inflation, central banks and governments employ a range of strategies, such as adjusting interest rates, implementing fiscal policies to manage aggregate demand, and closely monitoring and regulating the money supply. By striking a balance between economic growth and price stability, policymakers aim to create an environment where our savings and investments can retain their value over time. However, it's important to note that a moderate level of inflation can actually be beneficial for the economy, as it can encourage spending and investment. It's when inflation gets out of control that it becomes a real threat to our financial well-being. Impact on investments. The decisions made by economic policymakers can have a profound impact on the performance of our investments, from stocks and bonds to real estate and commodities. Changes in interest rates, fiscal policies, and economic indicators can create opportunities or risks in different sectors, making it crucial for investors to stay informed and adaptable. For example, a cut in interest rates may make bonds less attractive compared to newly issued ones, while also boosting the stock market by lowering borrowing costs for businesses. Conversely, a hike in interest rates could make bonds more appealing, but also negatively impact stock prices due to higher borrowing costs. Fiscal policies that prioritize infrastructure development or provide incentives for specific industries can create investment opportunities in sectors such as real estate, renewable energy, or technology. By staying on top of economic policy changes and their potential implications, savvy investors can adjust their portfolios to maximize returns and manage risks effectively. Global economic policies. In today's interconnected global economy, it's not just domestic policies that can impact our personal finances. International trade agreements, currency exchange rates, and the economic policies of other nations can have far-reaching ripple effects on our financial lives. Changes in tariffs or import-export regulations can directly affect the prices of goods we consume, potentially requiring adjustments to our budget and spending habits. Similarly, fluctuations in currency exchange rates can influence the value of our investments in foreign countries or assets denominated in different currencies. Staying informed about global economic policies and their implications is crucial for managing our personal finances effectively, especially if we have international business interests, travel frequently, or hold investments abroad. Adapting to economic policies. With so many moving parts and variables to consider, it can seem daunting to navigate the impact of economic policies on our personal finances. However, by adopting a proactive and adaptable approach, we can not only survive, but thrive in this ever-changing economic landscape. The key is to stay informed and educate yourself about current economic news, policies, and trends. Read reputable financial publications, follow reliable sources, and consider consulting with financial advisors to gain expert insights and personalized guidance. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographic regions can help mitigate the risks associated with economic policy changes and market fluctuations. Being flexible and willing to adjust your financial plans as circumstances evolve is also crucial for long-term success. By combining our knowledge of economic policies with professional advice and a willingness to adapt, we can make sound financial decisions that optimize our financial well-being. From managing our savings and investments to navigating debt and overall financial planning, being attuned to the dynamic nature of economic policies can empower us to take control of our financial futures. Remember, knowledge is power, and by understanding the impact of economic policies on our personal finances, we can transform challenges into opportunities and secure a prosperous future for ourselves and our loved ones. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel and join us on this exciting journey of financial enlightenment. Like and share this video to spread the word, and together, let's conquer the complexities of economic policies and unlock the path to financial freedom.